Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Dropbox Replay for video review step by step. Dropbox Replay makes it easy to share videos, collect feedback, and collaborate with your team or clients in one place. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Dropbox. Sign in to your Dropbox account if you haven't already. Once you're signed in, click the App Launcher or All Apps menu. From the list of apps, select Dropbox Replay. If this is your first time using Replay, follow the on-screen instructions to get started. Once you're on the Replay dashboard, click Create or Upload. Select the video file you want to review from your computer or choose one from your Dropbox account. Wait for the video to finish uploading. After the upload is complete, open the video in Dropbox Replay. Click the Share button to invite other people to review the video. You can enter their email addresses or copy the shareable link and send it to them. When reviewers open the video, they can play it and leave comments at specific timestamps. This makes it easy to discuss exact moments in the video without any confusion. As comments are added, you can reply to them, mark them as resolved, or continue the discussion directly in Replay. If you've made changes to the video, you can upload a new version to compare revisions while keeping all the feedback in one place. And that's it. You've successfully used Dropbox Replay to review and collaborate on a video. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Dropbox tutorials, collaboration tips, and productivity guides. See you in the next one.